Yep.
นิจนิจังวุธาปจายโนจัตตาโลกัมมังวัฏันติอายุวันโนสุขังภะลัง
Hey, good morning, y'all. Trixie and I just got back from our morning walk. I got to go into town today, drop off the truck. I had this rear bumper put on, this hammer bumper, and it's kind of cool. I like it. I just, what's the point in having a truck if you don't have a hitch on it? So I had this aftermarket bumper put on and the shell, which I'm liking. So what they're going to do today is they're going to put a front bumper on the truck for me. Get rid of this. Put a whole new front hammer bumper on with a LED light. Just kind of spruce it up a little bit, make it a little more individualistic. And then I'm going to get a 2-inch lift on the front. And that's it. That's going to be my truck for a while. He's trying to sell me a front end suspension, with the shocks and the coilovers and everything, but the prices for that are $40,000 to $90,000, which I don't really want to spend right now. So I will hold off on that, and I'm just going to run these tires into the ground. He's telling me that dump over at the place. I'll take you over there with me. It says that the 2-inch suspension lift will cause my front tires to wear unevenly. So I said, I don't really care. We'll see what happens with these tires as it goes. We'll rotate the tires with the oil changes and do the deal. And at some point, I'll probably end up getting some beefier tires on this. But I'm just going to go ahead and wear these ones out, because they're new. And I'm just going to use them up before I buy new tires, because I don't want them sitting around here taking up space and tripping over them forever. I've played that game before, and I ended up just putting the stock tires back on the truck. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to head into town, and I'm just going to walk home. They're going to have it all day. So I'll see you over there at the shop. Yeah, that tire's shot, huh? That's not safe. Moss prepping lunch. What you want to be? Don't you want to be a YouTube star, Ma? All right. So I was over here getting ready to go down to Dump's place, and I see that Pooey's dad's got his scooter tore apart, and I look over and the tire's like totally shot, and he's changing out tubes. So he obviously had a flat on it. So he had it all tore apart, and I look at that tire, and he's getting ready to put it all back in. I said, you can't put that tire back on. That tire's like gone. Well, you saw. It's just toast. So I asked him how much for a new tire. He's like, 300 baht. I was like, give him 300 baht. I said, just go buy yourself a new tire. What's that, like 12 bucks? $12. Just go buy a new tire. Rainy season's coming up. I don't want him getting in a wreck, slipping and sliding on the streets around here, or the mud for that matter. So anyway, he took off. So he should have this all back together here in a couple hours, which is good because I'm going to need Pooey's scooter that he's driving right now. So I've got to make some errands today while my truck's in the shop. All right, we made it. We're here at Dump's shop. At Dump's shop, we're gonna go talk to him a little bit, drop the truck off, grab the dog, and take another walk home. Good morning.
Morning.
Truck gonna be here today?
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good. I will take my dog and walk home. Busy today, huh? No. So many cars. So we've got tires, rims, lots of rims, more rims. More tires. Get that $8 tire. Made in Thailand. Probably get the imported one for $40. It's like break time on the job site. Nice. Almost done. I think there's a girl right down the street that makes these ices, shaved ice. I had one yesterday. Ma brought me one yesterday. It was pretty good. Here's the durian stand at Big C. They got the tarps off. This is what durian looks like. Grows on trees. Very spiky. And they got bushels of it. Bushels in a big pile. Very nice. We got a tub here. So that's durian. We got some. So yesterday I went to Big C, grabbed a few essentials, beer, water, something to help us through this 110-degree heat we're having. They've got a big durian stand outside, which I saw, but I got home yesterday and last night when Pui got home, she looked at me, she says, well, why didn't you get me any durian? So I told her today I'd go get some durian. So I did. I made her run over there on the scooter and picked up some durian, and this is what we got. She said, I said, how much do you want? Do you want me to get a whole one or a half of one? She says, just give me a plate. And I said, okay. So I got a plate. 240 baht. It was good looking, one of the better plates they had there. And 240 baht. What's that, like $7? It's kind of pricey for what they eat around here. It's a lot of, 240, you could feed 2 people at any of these restaurants around here for that. But anyway, so hopefully she'll be happy when she comes home from lunch. And she'll be here within about an hour. All right, so enjoy durian, people. Can't wait to try the ice cream. Durian ice cream. Pui's home, so we're gonna go pick up my truck. She's over here talking. I said, "Who are you talking to?" She said, "Baby duck." So we have a baby duck. Only one baby duck?
Yeah, I think mom not she dead. Yeah,
She gonna eat it?
dead. Dead.
Oh, bathe? Maybe it needs some food. Are we gonna feed it? So we have a baby duck. ¿Qué pasó, amigo? ¿Cómo estás?
Peter. Hi.
You like?
No.
Come on.
That's nice. Need to get some shop lighting in here. So Dump's saying the wheels aren't straight. They came in, did an adjustment after the test drive, and I think he's going to take it for another test drive. He's trying to make a deal with me on rims and tires. I'm just kind of wanting to wear these tires out before I buy new tires. Mama's home. Who's that? Huh? Who's that?
Baby.
Lights are on. Yeah, I just turned them on. So it's the next day, lunchtime. Boy usually comes home for lunch. I got the lights on. We get a look at this bumper. Pretty fancy. It's got soft rubber bumpers on the front of it. LED light turns on with the headlights. Recovery points. Port and starboard. I got some extra car parts here if anybody's interested. Rear bumper over there. Maybe I'll post them on Facebook. That's it. That was kind of expensive. It's 31,500 baht installed. You see they got their hands everywhere. This was all nice and clean. Looks truck needs to be washed now. Anyway, that's it. Nice short video for today, but thanks for watching. See you guys later.